How to add keyframes in CapCut. So to start, what we need to do is to open our CapCut application and then in here tap on this import option so we can add a video or a photo. Once we're done adding the photo or video, simply tap on this plus sign so we can start editing. So in here, I'm going to show you two styles of keyframe. The first one is by using the scale keyframe. So to start, we'll have to move the cursor where we want our keyframe to start. And then after that, we'll have to go here on the scale option, tap on this diamond icon. And then after that, I'll have to move my cursor again. And then in here, I'm gonna make this photo or video smaller to add a zoom effect. So once I'm done, as you can see, it automatically added a keyframe. So let's just play the video. And as you can see, it added a zoom effect. Another keyframe that I'm going to show you is by using the position keyframe. So to start, we'll have to move the cursor first where we want the keyframe to start. After that, we'll have to go on the position keyframe and then tap on this diamond icon. Once we're done with that, we'll have to go back here on our cursor and then we'll have to move our cursor where we want the keyframe to stop. After that, we'll have to go here on the photo and then I'm just gonna move this one here. And then I'm gonna add another keyframe. I will have to move again this cursor and then go back on the position keyframe, tap again on this diamond icon. And then after that, I'm going to move this photo here to add a moving effect on the video. And then after that, as you can see, a keyframe is automatically added here. So as an example, I'm going to play the video. And as you can see on the video, I have used two keyframe style. So that's how easy you can add keyframes in CapCut. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!